Hello everyone, and welcome to another Make Laser Gifts video tutorial. Kyle here with an exciting remake of a classic Make Laser Gifts workshop. This is an update to the wall sign workshop. There have been quite a few changes since my co-worker Andy presented the original version of this workshop. We have many new people joining us, so we decided it was about time to update this to the current format. This one is going to be short and sweet. On screen are the examples presented on our workshop page for the signs. Before we begin, I'd like to show you a few ways you can control this video. However, if you'd like to get stuck in with the workshop, you can skip to the next part of this video by clicking the time listed on the video. This video makes use of YouTube's timestamp feature. By going to the video description, you will see the timestamps I've set for each section of this video. If you'd like to skip to a different section, or rewatch one that you've previously seen, simply click its timestamp in the description. This feature also splits the video's progress bar into the different sections. When you roll your mouse over a specific part of the bar, it will tell you what section that comes under. This will make it easier for you to take a break and continue from where you left off. Also down in the description you will find some useful links, a link to the website, and a link to the workshop page. That concludes this section on video control. Here is a quick introduction to the InkyBay design tool. In the following workshop, these things may look a little different, but if you wish you can refer to this guide to help you follow along. This white space here is your canvas. This is where you will see all the elements for your design as you add them. First off, we have the Workshop Templates button. Clicking this will bring up a window that will give you access to whatever template you wish to work on. Next, we have the Upload File button. This allows you to upload a graphic of your choice. This is perfect for if you have an understanding of vector graphic design and would like to upload your own SVG image to the canvas. Clicking Add Text will allow you to write your own text on the canvas and edit it how you see fit. You can change the font, the size, the rotation and the curve of the text, among other things. Text created on InkyBay defaults to white, so in order to change that, you simply go over to the box on the left, click it and set it to black. The Add Graphic button allows you to browse our selection of vector graphics and add them to the canvas. Here you will find many different categories that cover many different themes and styles. Once you find a graphic that you like, simply click it and it will be added to the canvas. You can then resize it, rotate it or delete it if you wish. You can even duplicate it. Get a Quote allows you to send your design to us so that we can get it ready to use with the laser. Download Design lets you save a picture of your design to your computer. Save Design allows you to email this design to yourself so you can open it up again in future. You can simply ignore everything on the right of the screen. This means you do not need to worry that the price is going up when you add graphics. Now that you're loaded into the platform, head over to Browse Design Ideas. Select the heading on the left that says Workshop Templates. Then select Wall Signs. Most of the templates are available in two different styles. Feel free to choose whichever one you like. This one I'm going to call the Classic style. This one is similar to the examples you see on the website. It is made up with a backboard, a border, and the design elements you choose to put inside it. We'll call this one the Stencil style. This one will be made up of a front board, a backboard, and a border. The idea being you can cut bits out of the front board to reveal the backboard. There is a variety of vertical and horizontal signs to choose from. The most basic technique for designing your sign is learning how to add text. Simply click on the Add Text button on the left. This will allow you to type in some text. Once you are happy with your text, click elsewhere on the canvas. This will bring up the editing options for text on the left. These options will show up anytime you select a piece of text. You are able to alter the size of your text, the font of your text's alignment, and the shape of your text using the settings on the left. When you first enter text, it will appear white. You can change this by selecting your text, going over to the white box on the left, clicking it, and then selecting the colour you want to change your text to. If you are working with a classic sign, setting something to black means it will be engraved to the backboard. Setting something to red means it will be cut out. You will be sent anything that you cut out. This will allow you to assemble it by sticking it to the backboard. On the stencil style, black will be engraved into the front board, and because of the way this template is designed, you can use red or white to indicate the bits you would like cutting out. Choose whichever colour you can see best. By selecting Add Graphic on the left, you can browse our selection of graphics. I highly recommend checking out Borders and Dividers in the Ideal for Engraving section, most of the categories within Ideal for Cutting, Generic Shapes in Ideal for Engraving, and if you look around more of the Ideal for Engraving section, you'll find some really nice images that both engrave and cut really well. You can change the colour of graphics using the same technique mentioned in the previous section. This technique works for both text and graphic. It follows the same set of rules. Look at these two designs. While both of them look identical, the final result will turn out different. The design on the left will have more of the backboard visible. The design on the right will have less of the backboard visible. Your choice of template is all down to how you wish to decorate your final design and what effect you're going for. Once you have something you're happy with, click on Get a Quote on the panel to the left, and then fill out each of the boxes. Be sure to mention which workshop it is you've done in the subject box. You also must include your full address in the message box. If you do not include your full address, we cannot send your item out to you. Once you have received your item and have decorated it, please send us pictures of the end result. Thank you very much for following along. We look forward to seeing your final design.